stop. Go, go, go. Alright guys, welcome back to the Craig Young YouTube channel. Want to show you guys something that I've been wanting to get for a while that I just picked up. Yeah, so I've been doing some research and on some trucks because the Jeep having a hard time pulling the Subaru, and I've been wanting a truck. So yeah, so the Jeep have problem pulling the Subaru to the track. We like have to go down the highway maybe like 45-50 miles an hour. Yeah, and I've been wanting a truck. I've been trying to get one. I wanted a diesel truck, so didn't know much about it. So I started doing some research on them, and yeah. So I checked out the Ford, I checked out the Dodge, I checked out the Chevy, and I think the best one that fits, that I think I could work on and stuff like that. The best one for me is the that I picked out of the three of them is the Dodge 2500 5.9 Cummins, third gen. Yeah, so I just picked this up and I still gotta put the plates on it, and so I'm excited. So this is this truck is much bigger in person. It's a big truck. Yeah, so let me show you guys, give you guys a walk around. It do comes with, when I check it out, it do comes with some upgrades already. Yeah, so this truck, whoever had it have it like, it was really taking care of this truck. It's pretty clean inside, the seats are clean, everything. Yeah, it's the box seat, everything clean in it. 5.9 diesel, have 168 on the dash. Thing is awesome, I love it. I see why you guys crazy about your trucks. This thing is awesome, man. I always wanted one, I just didn't know which one to, would fit me best, and I think this one would fit me best. As I said, I test drive the Ford and the Chevy, and this is what I picked up. So I'm gonna show you guys under the hood. It was raining last night, so she's all wet. It's not the best day to do this, but I can't help it, I have to show you guys. Yeah, so this is the old reliable 5.9 Cummins everyone talks about. So what I noticed, the owners who had it before, they already upgrade the intake to SNB air intake, and I'm not sure, I think the exhaust manifold is upgraded too. So yeah, I think this is I'm not sure if this is a stock exhaust manifold, but it got what is it, DPS on it. I'm not familiar with these truck upgrades, but I think it's an upgrade. I'm not sure. The turbo, I'm not sure what kind of turbo is on there. And comes with some nice rims on it already, and I think it got some, I don't know what kind of, I don't think it's lifted, I think, but they upgraded the shocks on it, not sure what kind. And they also have a 5-inch full exhaust with an axle dump on it. There you go, right there. Yeah, so they already did they just did the brake caliper and all that stuff. front and back. And it's a pretty clean truck underneath for being in Chicago. It's pretty clean. The car is no rust. It's pretty clean. Yep. So I think the interior look like it's everything original to me. They haven't did anything in the interior. It's a pretty clean truck. I haven't started up in like 2 days or something like that, so I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. I'm not so sure if this is an upgrade. I don't think so. It still looks stock. So yeah, let me give you guys a cold start. So it's let me see, it's like 40 degrees right now, so I haven't started in like a couple days, so it's gonna be a nice little cold start. Let's see what happened. Here we go. She's not smoking or anything. Man, this truck sounds good. I see why, you know, you guys crazy about your truck. It's like I just want to start doing stuff to it, adding like, you know, upgrades and stuff like that. This thing drives real smooth. Love it. Better view of it. There you go, she went into cold start. The RPM went up. I think that's something they do when it's cold outside. They raise the idle up to warm it up faster, I guess. Let me give you a sound of the exhaust. As I said, it's something that I've been wanting to pick up, just didn't know which one I want. But yeah, that's the 3rd gen right there. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next upload.